Okwe awese wese wawese o wawese bi o mando tuma o wawese o.
With barely 2 years, when he don't become honorable member when he represents Ovia North East Constituency 1 for Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Charity Ighodala Agbobawehian don't highlight the achievements with strong commitment to service.
Ina do mwe o, ina we to heke ni ma miegbe, ni ma gwegbe gwan. Enable a report card. He made to show him my own report card.
In gather PDP leaders and executives for one big meeting as the Honorable Yan say he don't sponsor 47 bills and complete 28 projects wey don't touch the lives of him people where when he be majority leader for the house. In thank the party leaders and the constituency for their support, and in talk say all the efforts they focused on better education, development, social justice, and to make the economy better.
In my personal capacity, I have also successfully proposed and passed 19 motions that the House adopted as resolutions. 19. Ono wa ingina na jume. Then Marise House of Assembly ningwe zeri ma ni mai kai hu or ni mai kai tai ma.
Some of the projects we do include 3 schools, perimeter fence, borehole, street lights, plus programs where they help young people learn skills and get better work.
Undo nyongo di 21 ni na mu yejero la agi ebu kakabobu.
Hereby pass a vote of confidence on our representative in the House of Assembly.
We want to appreciate you. We want to thank you. I want to say we are very, very proud of you.
For an interview with Tori people, Honorable Agbobawehian Yan saying himself and the constituency they tender for PDP and him go work well to bring peace and plenty ogbonge things to him people. Sound.
All the leaders of Ovia North East 1 constituency in the PDP are intact. Our followership are intact, and the PDP is stronger even in the face of adversity. So there was a resolve between the people and myself, where a vote of implicit confidence was reposed in my representation, both in the area of lawmaking, in the area of representation, and in the area of project delivery.
From Benin City, Charity Erunse, now they give another story for GTV News.